Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Ford Escape battery. First, gather your tools, including a 10mm wrench, a battery terminal cleaner, and a battery hold-down wrench. Safety is paramount, so always wear safety glasses and gloves. Make sure your Ford Escape is completely turned off and the parking brake is firmly engaged before you begin. This ensures a safe working environment for the entire process. Now, let's disconnect the old battery. The battery is typically located under the hood, often on the passenger side. Using your 10mm wrench, carefully loosen and remove the negative battery cable first. This is crucial for safety. Next, disconnect the positive battery cable. Finally, remove the battery hold-down clamp or strap that secures the battery in place. With the old battery out, it's time for the new one. First, clean the battery tray and the terminal clamps to ensure good contact. Carefully place the new battery into the tray, making sure it's seated properly. Secure it firmly with the battery hold-down clamp. Now, connect the positive battery cable first, then the negative battery cable. Double-check all connections for tightness. You're almost done. Double-check that all connections are tight and the new battery is securely fastened. Start your Ford Escape to confirm everything is working correctly. You might need to reset your radio presets or clock. For more great deals and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker mentioned, be sure to look at the link in the description below. It's a fantastic way to upgrade your home tech.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.